Oil is trading in the green amid bullish industry data on crude inventories and a fall in the US dollar index. However, oil gains are capped by worries over weak fuel demand. Despite an overall positive background, the ruble failed to break through the 73 level against the US dollar. Despite positive dynamics in the oil market, crude prices are still holding near the previous levels. Thus, Brent oil futures for February edged higher by 0.5% to trade at $51.50 per barrel. WTI futures contract with the nearest expiration settled above $48 per barrel. Oil has added 6% of its value since early December. The rally happened on the back of optimism caused by the coronavirus vaccine rollout. However, it will take time to carry out the mass vaccination program while the virus continues to spread across the world, thus limiting oil demand. The energy demand could be supported by direct payments to the US citizens, which have not been confirmed yet. Yesterday, the US lawmakers blocked the decision to increase the size of payout to $2,000. At the moment, this factor is weighing on the market. In the early session, the ruble made several attempts to move up, supported by stable oil prices, falling US dollar and a rise in US index futures. Still, the ruble bulls failed to take the lead, and the Russian currency is likely to start a decline. The US dollar buyers pushed the pair above the level of 74 rubles. At the same time, the ruble's prospects are not so optimistic. It seems to be entering another round of decline against the greenback. Currently, the mark of 73 serves as strong support for the pair, and the ruble is unlikely to break through it this week. It's better to close positions on the dollar-ruble pair ahead of the weekend and consider opening new ones starting from January. Today is the final trading day on the Moscow Stock Exchange this year, so traders' activity is expected to be low on Wednesday. The Russian currency will most probably stay within the downtrend in 2021. The main reasons for this are the external risks that may intensify in the first half of the year and rising inflation in the country. In this case, the next downward target is seen at the level of 80 rubles per US dollar. You've watched Daily Financial News on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. See you back soon. The Russian currency will most probably stay within the downtrend in 2021. The main reasons for this are the external risks that may intensify in the first half of the year and rising inflation in the country. In this case, the next downward target is seen at the level of 80 rubles per US dollar. You've watched Daily Financial News on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. See you back soon.